Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to remove the front left, the steering wheel driver's airbag on a Suzuki SX4. This one is a 2013 model, but it will be the same from 06 all the way until 2013 model, maybe even for the second generation in some countries. This one is also known as FIAT in the European market. So what you need to do first, you need to remove the battery. You need to unhook the battery, the positive cable, and make sure that you do that at least 30 minutes before you start working on the vehicle. Okay guys, as you can see, this one was in a minor crash and the airbag is deployed. So now we need a T30 start looking bit, and right here, this one is actually with the paddle shifts, but underneath the paddle shift there is a hole right there, and you need to turn the ball to the left until it's loose all the way. I don't think it will come out. Those bolts are made to stay there, but it will get loose. You'll start feeling it. And just keep going until it's completely loose. Now what you need to do, you need to turn the steering wheel all the way until you can reach the other hole, which is located right here. Okay, you can see, so there is two holes altogether, two bolts holding it with that T30 tool. Okay, we got them loose. Now we need to grab it. It has two glides, I think, holding it right there. Okay, and now we need to remove the wires. Okay guys, now we need to use a screwdriver and lift up there, but ours will break. This is because the airbag was deployed and it melted the plastic. We're going to show you once we remove it. But you're supposed to pull the yellow part up all the way and it will release the whole airbag. Okay, you can see right there now, but as you can see here, everything is melted, so you need to buy the new plugs for that. And now the ground wire, you just pull it out. It's pretty simple, and this one is melted again. You can see how high of a temperature it was. It's kind of like a mini explosion inside the airbag. Okay guys, as you can see, okay, that's what we were talking about, how everything melted. So that's the airbag and that's how you remove it and replace it. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.